We have Coach Oji Mamon, Dax Yambao, and Iboy Vega. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Although the Red Warriors gave a good fight, your thoughts about this match?
Of course, thank you very much sa recognition. Thank you, Lord, nanalo kami. And parang na-test yung character ng mga players ko, even though this is not a 5-setter. Kasi 28-26, 26-24. Immaculate pa rin yung, yung record. Kaya lang, marami kaming flaws today. Kasi 2-day preparation lang kami to this match. So, nahirapan ako balansehin between rest and preparation.
Alright, thank you to Kiboy. Everyone points on 12 attacks and 2 blocks and 18 receptions. So, what can you say kasi syempre after a big win, medyo against you yung struggle kayo. So, ano yung ginawa nyo para maikawin nyo yung Red Warriors? Ano yung ginawa nyo?
Well, actually, yung ginawa po namin the usual, sunod po kami sa program. Siyempre, polishment po nun, isang ensayo. Mas pinag-iigihan po namin yung galaw. Tapos yung last po naman, kaya po kami nagka-problema kasi masyado nagmamadali. Sinabi lang po namin na balik lang po ulit sa isa-isa. Pagkatrabahoin muna po bago po. Kasi hindi po agad matatapos pag minadali.
Thank you. To Dax Yambao, he had 20 excellent sets, 3 blocks, 1 attack, 1 service ace. And so, alam mo, sabi mo na yun nga, after your games against NU, panalo kayo sa big win, medyo yun nga, struggle lang kayo today, pero you still able to pull up with a victory.
Siguro yung sa last set, natas talaga yung DY namin sa team, yung teamwork namin na yung hindi kami nag-surrender kahit lapit na sila sa match points. Doon natas yung team namin na we are composed as a team kasi yung mga madikit na laban doon nakikita yung mga pagka-capture ng team.
Okay, very solid for questions.
Coach, you were down 19-13 third set. What were you telling your players that's why you get the team still not this week?
Well, yung 1913 na pa yan, normal na ginagamit namin yung pressure game sa training before UAAP. So, hanggat hindi natatapos yung set, hindi pa yun tapos, there are still room to catch up. Pero yung pag nag-21 na yung kalaban, 5-point lead yun na medyo mahirap. So, tsaga lang, do what's right, yung routine, yung tama. Buti naman na gising sila. And they succeeded in the challenge.
Dax nung third set daw yung 23-20, plus dalawang crucial blocks mo ito sa lama. Ano na yung tumatakbo sa isip mo na pinag-uusapan yung teammates mo sa patapos mo?
Kami nakapitan talaga, tapos sabi ko sa kanila, ibayan mo dito sa block, ay bahala sa defense of pag lang kasi hindi ko din na sa akin na din tumatama yung thank you.
Thank you sa kalaban.
Your next game is on
Sunday versus Lasal.
So, yun nga, Lasal's coming up a lot. So, what can you say about? Ito medyo yung performance nyo. All those late sets, nahirapan kayo.
Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, nahirapan ako i-balance between rest and preparation. Kasi we prepare one match at a time. Pero yung challenge ng Lasal, siyempre, pinaghandaan na rin namin sa coaches. Pero yung sa players, ang focus ko ngayon is recovery. So, they're off tomorrow. Sana mapaghandaan namin yung 3 days namin for Lasal para maganda yung laban. Kasi, natalo kami na ng our last outing. So, gustong bawian daw ng mga players.
Congratulations, Coach Oji.
Nico.